Okay, good day everyone. Hope that you're all well. This is a very quick tutorial with just a few hints on how to solve a compound fraction. Okay, so just before we get into it, what exactly is a compound fraction? A compound fraction is when you have fractions stacked on top of fractions. So something like this, where you have something like this, or something like this, okay, which in particular is a little bit harder. And when we deal with compound fractions, we can put this inside of our calculators, but it's very easy as well to put these inside of the calculator incorrectly. And if you do that, then the entire answer is obviously going to be incorrect. So we want to try and devise a way that we can just very quickly use some quick math to try and make it easier for us to solve. Okay, so if I look at this, what I think is going to be the easiest for us to do is I look at this and I want to rephrase it. So there's a fraction over here, and there's a fraction over here, okay? I get uncomfortable when I see a fraction being divided by a fraction. So all I do is I rewrite it in a way that makes me a little bit more comfortable. So I know that this is 23 over 2 divided by 4 over 5. So that's all I do. I write it as 23 over 2 divided by 4 over 5, okay? Once you get to this point here, it becomes quite a lot easier for us actually to solve it. All we need to do is now we just need to apply our rules to turn time. So I go 23 over 2 times by 5 over 4, and then you can just apply your normal multiplication arithmetic with fractions, where you multiply numerators by the numerators and denominators by denominators. Okay, so I just want to show this example again with something that you are more likely to get with these kinds of questions, where you get expressions. And once again, once we understand the basic principles of mathematics, we can theoretically apply them anywhere. So if I have x minus 2 over 4 over 3 over x, okay, while this looks very complex, it doesn't have to be. So I know that this is going to be, let's just express it like this. I know that this is going to be x minus 2 over 4, okay, divided by 3 over x. So primarily what we're doing here is we're changing the way that we're looking at the sum. And a lot of mathematics can be handled this way. Just change the way that you look at the problem, and that's going to help you solve the problem. That's true of most things in life. Then we have x minus 2 over 4 times by x over 3, and once again we can multiply it out, and that will just become x squared minus 2x over 12. And that's our final answer. I hope that this little short tutorial helps you guys out if you need it. I always found that common fractions could be a little bit difficult. Thank you.